In this video, we will be looking at the surface area of pyramids. So please go ahead and turn to 8.7 in your note packet. So our central question will be, how do I find the surface area of a pyramid? And again, the surface area is just that idea of the area of all the surfaces, and then we add them together. So when we look at a square base, we'd have the bottom shape, we'd find the area of that. And then since there's four sides, we'd find the area of the four triangles, which all happen to be the same, and we add them all together. With a triangular base, we'd find the area of the base, then find the area of the four triangles, or the three sides of the triangles, so the four triangles total, and we add them all together. So the best way to kind of look at these is to first draw a picture where we've opened up and we're looking at the net, or kind of like the opening of the pyramid. So if I draw the base first and assign its values, 6 along the side and 6 along the bottom, then I can draw the triangles coming off of it. We can see the triangles look something like this. And we know that the height of the triangle is 12. Now we just have to find the area of each shape. We'll define the area of the rectangle. I'll use length times width. So the area of this square will be 6 times 6, which will be equal to 36 centimeters squared. Now to find the area of one of the triangles, area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. And we know that the base is 6 and the height is 12, so we'll plug that in. The area of our triangle is equal to 6 times 12 divided by 2, and that is equal to 36 centimeters squared. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these triangles with our base square, so I have the 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus the square of the 36. We add all this together, and then we'll get our total. So 36 times, since there's 5 of them, we can just multiply that together, 36 times 5. And we'll get 180 centimeters squared. Now it's the same idea for when we have a triangular base. We want to draw the base shape first. So I have my base that looks like that with a side length of 8. And then the height of that triangle is 6.9. And then coming off of each one of these sides of my base is another triangle. And so we get that the height of this triangle is 14. So now we can just find the area of each triangle. Well, I know that the area of the triangle, the base triangle, will be base times height divided by 2. So 6.9 times 8 divided by 2. Which will equal 27.6 inches squared. Then I just need to find the area of one of my side triangles. The area of that triangle will be base 8 times the height of the triangle, which is 14. Then we divide that by 2. And the area of this triangle is 56 inches squared. So how many of these triangles do I have? Well, if I'm looking at this 56 inches squared, there's 1, 2, 3 of them. So I can multiply this by 3. And we get 160. Then we'll add to that our base triangle's area, 27.6. and we get 187.6 inches squared. Now when we're looking at a hexagonal base pyramid, all we have to figure out is, if we look at this, its net by opening it up, I have a hexagon. And then I have a triangle coming off of each side. Well, I already am told that the area of the base is 439.1, so I don't even need to find that. Oops. So we'll open it up, draw our hexagon, then we'll open up with the 6 triangles, and we're told that the area of the base is 439.1, so I don't even need to worry about finding the area of this base shape of the hexagon, because it's given to me. So now the only thing I have to do is find the area of one of the triangles, because all the triangles are the same. So if I find the area of one, I can multiply that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, add that to the 439.1, and I'll have the total surface area. So we're told that the triangle has a base of 13 and a height of 30. So we'll use the area of a triangle is equal to base 13 times 30 divided by 2. And we find that one triangle's area is equal to 195 meters squared. And there's 6 of those. I'll multiply that by 6. And I get 1,170 meters squared. So that's all the sides, all 6 triangles. Now to find the total surface area, I'll have to add to that plus 439.1. And we get 1,609.1 meters squared. So the idea for these pyramids is mainly to find the base area of the base area. You find your base area, and then you count how many triangles, because all the sides of the triangles are going to be the same in pyramids. So if I can find the area of one triangle, multiply it by how many of those side triangles there are. There's my 4 right there. Then I add to that the base area, and I'm done with these kind of problems. And that's how we can find the surface area of a pyramid.